Look who I'm with.
Hi.
Which colour would you pick out? Look at this view.
Primark in Tottenham Court Road is so good. That's probably my favourite Primark candle I've ever smelt. Today I have a completely opposite day. It's cosy, it's autumnal vibes. Who doesn't love a little bit of last minute stress? Good morning everyone, welcome back to another little video. Today is Tuesday, it's the last day of September. I can't believe it's October tomorrow already. Honestly, this year has gone so quickly. It's actually terrifying. It is just about to be 10 o'clock. Today I'm heading into London for an event. I'm really excited actually. Alice asked me a while ago to go with her as her +1. It's an event with Logitech, and then turns out that my new management company are also going to this event, so I'm going to meet my new managers today for the first time, which I'm really excited about. And obviously I'm excited to see Alice as well. I haven't seen her since her birthday back in July, and this event is at the Sky Garden, and I've never been to the Sky Garden before, so exciting day all round. I've got 15 minutes till I need to leave to go and hop on the train, so just got myself a little breakfast. I made some overnight oats last night, which I haven't done for quite a while actually. I'll be honest, I've been in my Cocoa Pops era. Literally all I've had for breakfast for the past probably at least a month is Cocoa Pops. But oh my god, can we talk about how a box of Cocoa Pops costs £4? That is daylight robbery. I actually can't keep up with it anymore. So I'm going back to my overnight oats. So under here, under the fruit, there is porridge oats, coconut milk, Greek yogurt, and a little bit of Aldi Nutella, and then just a banana and some blueberries on top that needed using up. I've got myself a little coffee. This is a Madagascar vanilla macchiato. Sounds very fancy, it's actually just the pods. I'm gonna have this, put my lip stain on after I've eaten, and then head out. I thought I'd bring you along with me though, as like a little what an influencer day in the life is like when you're going to an event, because I don't go to many events these days. I'm actually not an event girly. I always get anxious about it. I feel fine today because I'm with Alice, but especially going on my own. And I feel like going as a +1, there's a lot less pressure because I'm not trying to impress the team, I'm not trying to get myself a job out of it, I'm just going along for moral support with Alice and to learn about the new products. And I do use my Logitech mouse every single week when I edit my vlogs. It's cut down my editing time by probably I'd say like 40%, which is a big old chunk. I'm literally just about to leave, but before I go I thought I'd show you my outfit. It's a bit of a basic one, but it's saying it's going to be 20 degrees in London today. It's literally October tomorrow, so a little bit confused about the weather, but I've got these jeans on from TikTok Shop. These are actually so comfortable. They've got like a seam down the front. I've just got my Adidas Gazelles on, long sleeve brown top, and then this vest from Primark, and this bag is from Stradivarius. Let's go, otherwise I'm gonna miss my train. I'm now in London, and look who I'm with. Hi. It's Alice. We were just like weirdly on the same tube, but Alice was coming from King's Cross, and then obviously I got on at Liverpool Street, so the chances of that happening actually very slim. We are now walking to the Sky Garden. Are we going that way or that way? I don't know if we're going in the right direction.
I don't know either.
I don't know why you put me in charge of directions.
But as soon as we stepped out the station, we were like, oh, this is why it's called Monument. Look at the size of this.
What
Look
a
at
big
that.
monument you have.
What a big monument. I mean, I feel like we just have to look up and we'll find the Sky Garden. I don't know. It's in some tall building somewhere. There's like a welcome lunch for an hour. Have you had breakfast?
No.
You haven't?
No.
You must be starving.
No, and I'm thinking this lunch better be good because I've got empty stomach and I'm ready.
Yeah. What time was your train this morning?
9:20. I woke up at 7.
Okay, I don't feel so bad about having to get up early now. I got up at like 8:30 and I was like, whew. We turned the corner and we found it. The walkie-talkie building. I actually have no idea what it's called, but the Sky Garden is at the top of there. We're currently waiting outside the event now. Just got to the Sky Garden. Everyone looks very techie and fancy.
Yeah, I feel a bit underdressed.
I feel underdressed too.
It feels very posh.
I'm just a girl. We're at the Sky Garden. Look how cool the view is. It's very fancy indeed. That's the Shard over there. We were just about to go and take some photos out there, and then we saw the sign that said no food or drinks. So, and we've literally just got a glass of pineapple juice. There's people walking around with little lunch. Oh, see? Right on time. I've just clipped my microphone on because there is music. Do you want me to take my drink? Sorry, thank you. There's music, so I don't know if it's going to be like copyrighty. I'm a bit scared because I've never used this mic before, but hopefully you can hear me a lot better. Are you getting your mic out now?
I am. We're looking very
She's
professional
got
already.
mic envy. Look at this view. Isn't it so lovely? It's actually free to come to the Sky Garden in London in case no one's from around here. Apparently the drinks are very, very expensive. So that's probably how they make their money, but to actually come up here is free. That is wild, isn't it? Look at this view. There's the Shard and everything else I actually couldn't name. Oh, that's Tower Bridge down there. It's such a beautiful day as well. It did say it was going to be 20 degrees today. I think it's about 15 at the minute. Look, oh my god, you can nosy on everyone's rooftop terraces. This is a nosy girl's dream. So we've just got ourselves some lunch. This is my little lunch plate. Look at it, it's so small. Actually, it's probably a normal size plate. I've found recently that our plates at home are massive, and that's why I'm making the portions way too big. Anyway, rambling. Here we've got a little bit of broccoli with, I actually don't know, chickpeas, sweet corn, and then this is a little mixture of sweet potato, kale, more beans, some jerk chicken, and some basically cheesy potatoes. We're going to eat our lunch now because we've got 25 minutes until the first talk. Which colour would you pick out?
I would say orange. Like orange is my colour.
What, that one?
Yeah, either orange or that.
The green, would you?
Yeah.
Guess what one I would pick? Yep, you know me so well. That's so cute, that colour.
Yeah.
Obsessed. Either that or white.
Yeah. To be fair, white's a classic.
It is a classic, but that pink, like dusky pink, chef's
That's
kiss.
very Han.
It is very Han. I can't get over how cool this Sky Garden is. Like when there's not an event on, obviously it's closed for the private event today, but when there's not an event you can just come up here like for drinks in the evening, and the view over London, especially at sunset. I think sunset is the busiest time. I'm pretty sure it gets like quite packed up at sunset, but I mean you can see why. How stunning are these views? We're just about to watch a little presentation. It's just about to start, and look, there's the gherkin.
I didn't want to leave.
Alice is making friends. New friends.
So obviously we're here at Logitech event.
Honestly, why am I always drawn to the pink? Like, this is such a cute colour.
This
Look
is
at
such
it.
a cool idea, by the way.
What is it?
It's a desk. Like you can store stuff in it.
Oh my
And
god.
it's a laptop stand, and then there's a mouse trackpad thing that you take out and use the mouse.
So it's like a portable desk.
Yes.
Oh my god, it literally is called the pop-up desk.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Okay, let's go, girls.
We're getting our own personalised keyboards right now. Other people have gone for their names. I've gone for Let's Go Girls. Don't forget the kiss on the end as well. Or is that too long?
No, it wasn't that.
You're funny. You're cracking me up. A little bit of motivation. Perfect.
You want to set the
This is the machine. Oh, yes, please. Can I press the button? Thank you. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Here it goes. 4 seconds. Wow, look at that. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Hello, so we've just come out of the event. Hopefully you can't hear the music too much, but we're in Uniqlo in Tottenham Court Road, and I found this scarf. I really like it. I really like this colour. I would never normally buy colour.
I think you should.
I think I should. It's £25. I feel like that's quite expensive for a scarf, but it's going to be one of those scarves that I wear all the time.
Yeah.
Just take someone else's hair off it. It's probably mine. Probably is yours, let's hope. But yeah, we're going to do a little bit of mooching around the shops and then head out for some food. Very excited for that. Hello, me again. So me and Alice are now in Primark. I put my mic back on because it's quite loud in here. I don't want to shout. But we're looking at all the homeware. How cute is that? That's very Alice.
It is.
Oh my god, look, a little dog holding a... That looks like my
very
soap
Han.
dispenser. That is very me. And we're looking at more Christmassy stuff. They have some really nice like vintagey looking Christmassy bits in, but also autumn, like this butter dish. Look how cute that is. Little pumpkin butter dish. £6. Very sweet. What have you found, Al?
A little oven dish.
See, what do you cook in that
I
though?
don't know. I think you just have to use it as an ornament, wouldn't you?
The only thing I can think is sausage casserole. Literally, what else do you cook in that? This teapot as well. That is adorable. I love the size of it too.
Picky bowl.
Little pinch pots, yeah, for your 3 crisps.
It's like an ashtray.
I know, I thought that was an ashtray for a minute. What is it?
Like an old man's ashtray. Don't know.
Maybe just for sauce?
Some nuts.
Who knows?
Mixed nuts.
But yeah, this is a very cute autumnal section. Primark in Tottenham Court Road is so good for homeware. And then this is some of the Christmassy stuff. I literally went to Primark last week and filmed all the Christmas bits. I mean, Tottenham Court Road, nothing compares.
Sorry to the Lakeside store, but it is better in here. I think these might be my favourite thing that we've found.
I feel like that's something you'd have had back in the 90s.
Yeah, that looks very 90s Christmas. If they had the bigger version as well, I mean, I wouldn't buy it today because we've got to literally carry it home. But if I saw big ones and little ones of them and the salt and pepper shakers, stop it. Love this little like vintagey Christmas vibe. They do have a very small Halloween section in Primark. We noticed in Lakeside last week that there was barely anything Halloween-y. They've got lots of autumn, not as much Halloween, and lots of Christmas, which to be honest is my perfect vibe. Like, I'm not Halloween girly. Do you like Halloween?
I love Halloween.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you like get trick-or-treaters at your house?
Oh, I hate trick-or-treaters.
Oh.
I don't answer the door.
Oh, okay. You just
I
love
like
the
the
spooky
vibes.
vibes. Yeah. No, we don't put any pumpkins out or anything.
That's nice. That sounds like boys' aftershave.
What is it? Cedar and pine?
Yeah, they're not too strong.
Oh, that is really nice actually.
Sometimes the boy aftershave ones smell a bit much.
It's only £3.
£3?
Yeah. But is it going to be one of those that smells the first time you light it and then the rest of it doesn't smell of anything? I always feel like they put the scent at the top of the candle.
Yeah.
So you smell it and go, oh, that's lovely. That is really nice, actually.
That is really nice.
That's probably my favourite Primark candle I've ever smelt. And I wouldn't normally have picked that up. We saw these ones last week. Look how cute that is.
I saw them in the vlog. They're a cute little table decor.
Yeah, they are, actually.
Oh, I don't like that smell though.
Oh, they've
Ruined
got
it.
pink ones.
Are you a cinnamon spicy kind of smell?
Yeah.
Girl? I hate spicy smells. No, that's nice. See how
That is nice.
hesitant I was there?
Yeah. What is it?
I mean, it's lovely.
Wait, let me guess what it is. Hang on, is the label in it? Okay, now I'm going to guess.
How are you not pulling a face?
Because I like cinnamon-y.
I hate
Oh, I
that
don't. I
smell.
nearly looked at the label then. Cinnamon. I'm going to guess it's called cinnamon spice.
No.
Cinnamon and vanilla.
No.
Cinnamon and ginger. Ginger and vanilla. Vanilla spice.
There's no sweetness in that at all.
Cinnamon and ginger. Have I said that already?
How long is this clip going to be?
Am I close?
No.
What the hell? Cinnamon and clove.
Also, I said it like 2 minutes ago.
did you?
Rewind that clip, future Han.
So we just got into Nando's. We're in Nando's in Soho and we're downstairs, so the lighting in here, not the most flattering. But we've just ordered our food. I've gone for, to be fair, this is like pretty much my standard Nando's order, the double chicken wrap. Normally I'll get chips and coleslaw. Today I've gone peri chips and charred corn, which I've never had in Nando's before. I nearly went for the Fino Pitta because you can get chicken breast in a Fino Pitta now. Normally they only had chicken thighs and I'm not a lover of chicken thighs. I don't know, it does sound so good though. Chicken breast with halloumi, caramelised red onion relish, garlic alioli and lettuce. I didn't go for that though, so I don't know why I just read that out to you. Yeah, I've gone for the wrap and obviously a bottomless drink and garlic peronaise. Al has gone for, I'll tell you what Alice got because I'm using my mic right now. Don't know if you can see it here. What did you go for? Oh, you got the Fino Pitta, so the thing I just read out with hearty grains and peri salted chips and a garlic peronaise. That's the only problem with this mic is obviously it's on me and not you.
Hello. Welcome to Nando's. I've not been to Nando's for ages. Hannah is taking me out on date night. I'm very happy about it. I'm paying for my own dinner.
Our food's just arrived. I've never had this charred corn before. I'm not gonna lie, it does smell a little bit questionable. Have you ever had charred corn? Do you think it smells? Can you smell it or not?
No, I can't smell it.
Oh, a little bit questionable, but I'm excited nevertheless. Hello again. It's the next day and today I have a completely opposite day to yesterday. It's giving Hannah Montana in all honesty. Yeah, yesterday spent at the Sky Garden, networking, socialising, free lunch, beautiful sunny day in London. Today it's raining, I'm at home. Well, I'm actually at the Sunnyside office right now and I am stressed because I've decided that I've actually got a launch this Friday. So by the time you're watching this vlog, this launch will have already happened. Basically, the autumn design that I ordered for Sunnyside was delayed in shipment, so it didn't arrive when I wanted to launch it. So then I thought, well, it's not just an autumnal design, it's just a neutral design, beiges, browns, I'll show you in a second. So I was like, it's fine, I can just launch it in January. Then it arrived on Monday and I was like, I actually love it and I kind of want to launch it right now. So I've now got T-minus 48 hours to prepare everything for this launch and I'm slowly making my way through the list. This is the new design. I absolutely love it. Alice hand drew every single one of these these graphics. It's called Porphy and Pastries. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's cozy, it's autumnal vibes, but it's not like very autumnal. It's not like pumpkins on it or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna launch it this Friday. It will already be live on the Sunnyside website. It just means that I have quite a bit to do. I've just packed all the brand rep parcels and taken the website photos. I'm now going to take some photos over on my design wall. Who doesn't love a little bit of last minute stress? I'm not going to lie though, I do feel like I've brought this stress on myself. Never mind, no time for complaining, let's crack on.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, cause you glue all the pieces.
Hello. It is Friday. I've just been editing this vlog up until this point. I feel like I'm looking a bit worse for wear tonight. I was actually a bit poorly in the night last night. I just had a bit of a broken sleep. But the event this week was so cool to go to the Sky Garden. We were so lucky with the weather as well, because today it is cloudy, gloomy, rainy, and apparently Storm Amy is on her way. This evening is going to get very windy indeed. We were supposed to be having our driveway jet washed today, but the guy cancelled first thing this morning because he was like, the weather, it says no. That is all that's been going on today. Everyone got great goodie bags from the Logitech event the other day. There was a book in there. There was also this little mini portable speaker from Logitech. It's the Ultimate Ears mini roll. I haven't actually opened it yet, but Leanne's going on holiday next month. She's going to Mauritius for a couple of weeks with her friends. So I said she can borrow this speaker because then when they're sitting around the pool or sitting on the beach or whatever, she told me they'd like made a playlist, like a group playlist of loads of holiday vibe kind of songs. So this will be perfect for her holiday. It's got 12 hours of battery, a hookable strap. Oh my god, it's such a cute little colour. I mean, that's good. It's just got a USB-C charger. But yeah, that's what it looks like. A little mini Bluetooth speaker. And then it's got this like rubbery bit on the back so you can hook it onto something. How good is that? What a nifty little design. And then you also saw us getting our keyboards lasered. When I got home from the event, it was quite late at night actually. By the time I got home, I think it was like 10:30 because me and Alice were just talking in Nando's for ages. I got back, I was sitting on my office floor testing out this Bluetooth keyboard on my phone. Look how nifty this is. This would be so good like to use with my iPad, on a plane, on a train. So this is the keys to go to keyboard. And I can't remember if I showed this in the vlog, but mine says, "Let's go girls," with a kiss, because I thought let's have a bit of motivation when I'm trying to get some work done. So yeah, thank you to Logitech for the invite and the goodies. It was so nice to see Alice and just have a good old catch up, a good old natter in Nando's. Oh my god, I've just realised these are buttons on the top of this speaker and they feel really satisfying to press, like the volume buttons. Taylor Swift's new album came out and I'm not really a Swiftie, but she has got a song with Sabrina Carpenter on the album, so I might click my phone and listen to it on this for the first time. Anyway, that is all from me this week. I think I'm going to have a week off from uploading on YouTube next week just because we've got some family stuff going on next week. So I think I'll probably still be posting on Instagram and TikTok, but bear with me for the YouTube videos next week. I have my Sunnyside launch tonight of the new Porphy and Pastries design. Very excited for that. But I don't think I have anything else to update you on. So thank you very much for watching. If you made it this far into the vlog, let's leave a little plant emoji, this one, in the comments down below for the Sky Garden. Do subscribe to see my future videos. Stick around, join the fam. That's all for me. So thank you very much for watching. Bye guys. Love ya.